Hello, Carrie. This is the receiver in question. I decided to make a video so that I can better explain what's going on as opposed to trying to send you this information by Skype. Now, this is the receiver. There you can see the software is on the screen, the monitor. That is my old receiver. It is no longer connected. I'm not using it anymore. I replaced that with this. Over here is the brand new computer, and the computer was bought after I had already bought the receiver from you guys. So brand new computer and brand new receiver, so that we don't confuse the situation. Let's just move this out of place. And now this is what we have: computer, receiver, computer, receiver. The problem that I am having is that the receiver is not communicating with the software. If we look at the back, we can see my cable coming from the back of the receiver, and it goes to a converter that converts it to USB, and it goes into the computer. On the other end, if I go to receiver inspection, it tells me communication failed. Please check the connection of the receiver. So this is the issue that I'm having. It didn't always do this. It just started to do this after a while. I always had problems. It was a different problem from time to time. Sometimes it would receive signals, sometimes it wouldn't. But now my issue is that it's not communicating with the central station receiver. Sorry, it's not communicating with the software, with the computer. If we look down here at the window, I can scroll through events, and we can see that the receiver is receiving events. It's giving me the normal operation. It's giving me the account number of the alarm, the activity of the alarm based on the contact ID code, the date and the time. That is all correct. However, I am only getting open and close signals. I am not getting any alarm signals. If we look over here, we can see that the lights are all normal. This is the normal operation. So we have normal operation here, and we have pretty much normal operation here. But when we look at the software, it doesn't recognize that a telephone line is connected because the receiver is not communicating with the software. So the software doesn't identify a telephone line. However, if I call the unit, I can call two numbers. I can call the GSM cell phone number, and it will ring, and it will also show up in the window. And if I call the landline, it will not ring like the cell line will ring, but it will indicate. I will hear two rings, and then I'll hear a phone modem picking up on the other end. So those are normal operations. But the main issue is that there is no connection or communication between the receiver and the software. Okay?